नाजिया अकबर यास्मीन हजरत गिरामी, या आपकी गुनूदगी को दूर करने के लिए दोनों बच्ची आ रही हैं। एक है मौलाना अली अकबर बसंतपुर के, उनकी ये लड़की है नाजिया, और एक यास्मीन जो है ये कारी रजाउल्लाह साहब की लड़की है। ये मुकालमा पेश करेंगी। नाजिया अकबर यास्मीन।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
अरे नाज़िया बहन, अब कहाँ से इतनी वक्त आ रही है?
मैं जामिया आतिका लिल बनात से आ रही हूँ, वहीं तालीम हासिल करती हूँ।
इस मदरसे में कहाँ तक तालीम है?
इस मदरसे में इब्तिदाया उला से आलिया उला शरिया तक है, और इंशाअल्लाह ईद बाद आलिया सानिया शरिया तक कायम किया जाएगा।
माशाअल्लाह बहन, बहुत खूब। अल्लाह और तरक्की अता फरमाए। बहन, क्या इंग्लिश भी पढ़ाई होती है?
जी बहन, इंग्लिश के लिए तो एक अलग सा टीचर रखा गया है।
तो मैं कुछ इंग्लिश में आप बुरा ना माने तो सवाल कर लो।
जरूर कीजिए, कोई तकल्लुफ की बात नहीं।
Who is our last prophet?
हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम is the last prophet.
Where was he born?
He was born at Mecca in Saudi Arabia.
What is Makkah?
Mecca city in Saudi Arabia.
In which family was our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam born?
Our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in a Quraysh family.
When was our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam born?
He was born on Monday, the 12th Rabiul Awwal, the 25th of April 571.
What was the name of his father?
The name of his father was Abdullah.
When had his father died?
His father had died before he was born. He became an orphan.
What was his mother's name?
His mother's name was Amina.
Who was his foster mother?
Halima was his foster mother.
Why did people love him?
People loved him because he helped them.
How long did he stay with his Halima?
He stayed with Halima for 4 years.
How long did he stay with his mother?
Only for 2 years.
When had his mother died?
His mother died when he was only 6, so he became an orphan.
With whom did he live then?
Then he lived with his grandfather.
Who was his grandfather?
His grandfather was Abdul Muttalib.
Did he live with his grandfather?
Then he lived with his grandfather for only 2 years.
How old was he then?
He was 8 years old then.
Who took care of him then?
His uncle Abu Talib took care of him then.
Why did people love him?
People loved him because he helped them.
Why did people call him Sadiq?
Because he spoke the truth, he never told a lie.
How many names of Allah?
There are 99 names of Allah. Wallahu alladhi la ilaha illahu ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, al-Malik al-Quddus, as-Salam al-Mu'min, al-Muhaymin al-Aziz, al-Jabbar al-Mutakabbir, al-Khaliq al-Bari, al-Musawwir al-Ghaffar, al-Qahhar al-Wahhab, al-Razzaq al-Fattah, al-Alim al-Qabiz, al-Basit al-Khafiz, al-Rafi' al-Mu'id, al-Mudill al-Sami' al-Basir al-Hakam, al-Adil al-Latif, al-Khabir al-Halim, al-Azim al-Ghafur, الشكور العلي المقيت الحسيب الجليل الكريم الركيب الوجيب الواسع الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوقيل القوي المتين الولي الحميد المحسن المبدي المعيد المعي المميت الحي القيم الواجد الماجد الواحد الأحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن الوالي المتعالي البر التواب المنتقم العفو الرؤوف مالك الملك ذو الجلال
माशाअल्लाह माशाअल्लाह, बहुत खूब।
المقسط الجامع الغني المغني المانع الظاهر النافع النور الهادي البديع الباقي الوارث الرشيد الصبور.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
जज़ाकल्लाह। हजरत गिरामी, ये छोटी छोटी बच्चियों ने अभी 99 नाम अल्लाह तबारक व तआला के गिनाए हैं।